When coupling the tractor to the trailer, there are three things that we need to accomplish. We need to get the tractor connected to the kingpin of the trailer. We need to lift up the landing gear. We need to connect the air and electric. So first, we're going to connect the pin. To do that, I'm going to inspect the pin, make sure that the tandem or the fifth wheel release pin handle is out. I'm going to confirm that the jaws are open. I'm going to inspect the apron of the trailer and the kingpin to make sure that they are secure. I'm also checking to make sure that they are lined up with one another. Next, I'm going to get the tractor in position to make the connection. As I'm backing up the trailer, I want to aim the tires just inside the edge of the trailer. One way that I can target that is by looking in my large flat mirror and lining up the drive tires with the landing gear. When I get closer to connecting, I'm going to stop and get out and check my alignment. The alignment looks good, the height looks good. I'm going to continue backing under the trailer until I hear the fifth wheel connect. As I'm coupling and uncoupling, I have my window down so that I can hear when the fifth wheel connects. There, I heard it connect. The next step is I'm going to put the vehicle in drive, tug against the connection, make sure that it is secure. Then I'm going to get out and continue the coupling process. I'm going to visually check, make sure that my fifth wheel release arm is in. Then I'm also going to go underneath and make sure that the jaws are securely fastened around the kingpin. Next step is to raise my landing gear. The landing gear has two gears. Once I figure out if it's in high gear or low gear, I'll raise the landing gear until it is fully raised. As I'm doing it, I'm making sure that both sides are coming up equally.
Is that high gear or low gear?
Could be. That must be high. Once my landing gear gets to where it stops, I'm going to back it off a couple of turns and stow the handle. After I've completed the landing gear, my last step is to connect the air and electric. When putting on the glad hands, this top portion of the glad hand goes inside this part, and this tab goes inside the glad hand. To connect it, get the two rubber gaskets facing each other and rotate the handle. Same with the emergency. Finally, I'll connect my electric line, make sure that it is firmly seated and the retainer is holding it in. And it's simple as that. Pin, landing gear, air, and electric. PLA.